Hello and welcome back. Thank you for following on to this video to see the outcome of this little project. It's from the Wool Factory March subscription box. So in my previous video I opened the box and you could see what contents you got with it, and I finally finished making it in the evenings. This is what it should look like. I got various different pictures front and back there. What did I do? Now I changed it up slightly because I wasn't too keen on the uberly long legs and limbs there, and the nose bit, but I gave it a go. I tweaked a bit, and here is my finished version. Okay, that's my little one for March. I didn't use the dragon because it's March, it's St David's Day, it's very Welsh, so that was quite nice. I really think I should have blocked the extra pieces first before I sew them on, because they do tend to curl. But that's lovely there. And the nose, they were meant to be round, but I wasn't keen on that. But then I'm not also too keen on what I've done here either. The eyes, didn't say in the pattern until it was too late that the safety eyes they provided could have been used there. Might have worked out quite nicely. It would look cute, but it was too late. I'd stuffed him and everything, so oh well. As you can see, compared to the original, I have shortened the legs somewhat by a few rows, whatnot there. What does that mean? It means that it does come out smaller than their estimation of 36 centimeters, and it depends on how they measure that, but this one, when sitting down, measures about 19 approximately, and if you measured him with his feet and everything, it's about 25, 26 centimeters. So because you use less stuffing, less yarn, it does mean that other than the two extras I said you can use to make something else with, I was left over with another ball of yarn, and almost another ball of yarn. Now the reason why I started this and not finished that one is because I've noticed, which is a shame because I didn't notice until it was too late and I was doing it in the evening in the dark, is that I don't really can see that there are slight brown marks in the yarn, and it happens every so often. And I've noticed that it's actually, I don't really can see this, it's within the yarn itself. Bit of brown marking in here. It's quite difficult to see on camera, but there are markings within this particular yarn, this particular ball, which is a shame. I mean, it's quite within the size of it, so you wouldn't notice that straight away, but it means I'll try and give him a scrub, but we'll see. Okay, so that's him, Tink. And of course you get a little bit extra brown left over, so we'll see what we can make with all that afterwards. So that was the March box that was given by Wool Factory, or purchased from Wool Factory, for about £15 a box, including postage. Let's have a look. The only thing I would say is that, yeah, it didn't come with the tapestry needle, and if you notice on the feet there's some bobble stitching going on, and it doesn't actually tell you how to do those special stitches, so you would have to Google them up for yourself, how to do it. It's quite straightforward once you get the hang of it, but it did not list that, so if you are a complete beginner you might have to practice and Google that up. You'll find versions on YouTube how to do that one. As I said, I did make some slight changes and everything else. If you do want to know those changes, you can follow me on my JennyBBlog on Facebook. If you message me with your email, I can email that to you, and you'll also get updated with any other videos crochet related that might be of interest to you as well, including any competitions and quizzes and things like that. I don't often post those kind of things, so you won't be bombarded. Okay, well, I'll be looking forward to the April box, and I'll be opening that one soon as it arrives. Okay, thank you. Like and follow, and for now, bye bye.